If you are looking for the best RC Lamborghini car models, then you have reached the right place. Here, you will find various types of remote control Lamborghini cars, and their reviews in detail. The Lamborghini cars are popular among kids for their looks, design, speed, and performance. In order to find the best RC car, you need to check all the Lamborghini models available in the market. But you can save your valuable time by just taking a look at our collection. We have collected the best RC Lamborghini cars to buy at the present time. The Lamborghini RC cars are great in appearance, but you cannot know their performance from its looks. Therefore, we have brought the best RC Lamborghini car reviews for you. Hello my friends. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I recommend 5 best RC Lamborghini car 2022. Before you start, subscribe to the channel and press the like button to be up to date with all the news. Let's begin. Number 5 in our top is from the ZMZ brand. 1/14 scaled model Lamborghini Sian is authorized by Lamborghini. This remote control car for boys 8 to 12 and adults who obsessed with Lamborghini. Perfect workmanship, but not just a toy, but also collection, authentic car styling with injection molded body. Lamborghini remote control car, easy to control. This RC car can move steadily in any direction within few seconds by a remote control that with forward, drift, reverse, turn left, turn right buttons. LED headlight and LED rear light. Doors opened by hand. High speed up to 9 km/h. Lamborghini RC car 2.4 GHz frequency. At the same time, it can prevent signal interference when multiple racing cars are playing at the same time, so that players can fully experience the fun of multiplayer racing. It is compatible for multi-device and multi-user, with fast response speed, high response precision and strong anti-interference capability. Lamborghini rubber tires are full of toughness and elasticity, wear resisting, but also have the effect of shock absorption. We continue with the number 4 that is part of the SainSmart brand. Officially licensed by Lamborghini, the RC car has all features of the actual car and is lacquered in a nice, shining Lamborghini paint job in orange. For Lamborghini fans, this is an authentic small-scale reproduction. Fast and easy to maneuver, the 1/24 remote control car has a simple dual-grip remote control and a max speed of 4 mph. A great entry-level race car for a little kiddo. Made of premium ABS plastic, the RC Lamborghini Aventador Coupe has decent thickness to the body, not thin and light, which can hold up well through lots of crashes. About the size of a shoe, but it packs power and maneuvers well. The racing car can work up to 80 feet away from the controller. Underneath the car there is a wide adjuster allowing you to properly align the wheels. Important to note that there is no on-off switch on the controller. When you switch the car off, the controller light goes off. Absolutely a great gift for any kids and adult who's still looking for a few thrills. Let's enjoy playing with this scale replica indoor-outdoor and gain lots of us and ahs as it whips down the aisle. Number 3 in our top is from the FENG brand. This is a very nicely designed replica of a Lamborghini. It is extremely detailed for a radio-controlled car. This small Lamborghini radio-controlled car fully licensed. Very well secured, the front white light lights up when moving forward and a back red light glows when we reverse. On the bottom of the RC car is an on-off switch along with a dial which, if set in the middle, sets the car on a straight path. Driving a super cool car is the recurring dream of every boy and man in this world. By acknowledging this, we made a mission in developing premium RC cars to offer you a taste of adrenaline and a unique driving experience at a smaller scale, but close to what driving a real supercar feels. Headlights glow with forward motion. Rear lamps light up when moving backward. Cool Lamborghini racing car, bring you infinity fun. Number 2 in our top is from the BEZGAR brand. Officially licensed RC car, 1/24 scaled back on the real car. The inside and outside of the remote control car are well designed and the proportions are coordinated. Forward, reverse, stop, left and right motion control. 6 miles per hour, 2.4G single frequency remote control, allowing multiple users to race multiple cars at the same time without interference. The wheels are made of rubber to absorb shocks. The sturdy plastic body is made of ABS plastic to prevent scratches. The body has a perfect curvature, which can be used indoors and outdoors. The remote control car is more suitable for smooth surfaces, but such as concrete, wood, or asphalt, carpet floor, will affect the speed of the car. The interior and exterior details of the remote control car are completely referenced to the real car, and the body design is smooth. It has the same performance as a real car, to ensure smooth running of the car. Great remote control car for boys 8 to 12A must have for enthusiast and collector, a great choice for children Christmas gifts. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. The number 1 product is part of the BEZGAR brand. 1/24 scaled back on the real Lambo Aventador SVJ, great size for inside use. We strongly stand behind each item it designs and sells. Each product we sell has passed a rigorous testing process before landing at your door. These remote control cars are wonderful gifts for kids. Features a delicate and smooth profile and a remote controller with functions such as forward, reverse, left and right turns, easy to control, and the Lambo RC car responds well. Lambo Aventador SVJ car simulates a really powerful engine as one can expect from a famous car. The simple dual grip remote control and a max speed of 4 miles per hour are fun to play with. Non-toxic ABS plastic and a glossy exterior, it can hold up well through lots of crashes. Smooth flexible wheels with clear patterns and an independent suspension system can reduce the friction between the tires and floor and bring the most active suspension, so it can freely run into around the house. 2.4 GHz frequency is the updated new feature for this RC car, which provides a stable and wider control range for the play, provides a range of up to 80 feet and allows you to race at a speed up to 4 miles per hour. Which remote control Lamborghini car would you like to buy? Leave us a comment below. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. See you soon. Bye.